Hey friends, we're over in a little sitting area here in the new house. We've got a couple of these white accent chairs, but what we really needed was a nice end table to put books, to put coffee, to put things like that when we're enjoying this area. Now this end table is made by ZttRiee. It's very budget friendly and you can see that it actually works really great in this space. Let's take a closer look. So here's what everything looks like out of the packaging. The box is relatively small that it comes in. Does require a little bit of assembly. I'm gonna walk through the instructions. I'll let you know if I run into anything that's a little bit complicated. So assembly was pretty easy. I'd say it took me maybe 20 minutes, honestly, watching a movie and just putting things together. Now I think one of my favorite features is just the uniqueness of these slotted accordion sliders. You can see it has a lot of space in here for storage. And then again, you can take these from either side, close everything up to have it be aesthetically pleasing so you don't see all that clutter that's inside of things. We can get a clear picture of the back of the piece as well. It sits on 4 legs and again just has this really nice oval look to it. Now from a distance you can see that it actually does have that kind of nice pine wood look, even though this is what I would call fairly cheap materials. It's kind of that particle board overlaid with a little bit of that laminate looking wood. So as far as aesthetics and functionality, again, I'm gonna give this guy a thumbs up. I think it looks good. I think it functions really, really well. Now, as far as build quality goes, definitely don't expect this to be a really high endurance piece or a legacy piece that's gonna last a long time. It definitely has a cheap feel once you get close to it and you get your hands on it. If you're moving and you scratch it, I think this is not going to endure much abuse. But again, the trade-off is that you get a budget piece. I think it's the perfect height for these white accent chairs that are lower to the ground. It works well next to a couch as well, but be careful if you're putting it up next to a bed. I think the mattress height would need to match, or this is gonna be much too low. So overall, we actually really like it. Again, it's a super budget friendly piece. It's easy to put together. And again, I think it's gonna really go well in most spaces in your home. You can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself. And then stay tuned because we actually do a ton of these product review videos for things you can find on Amazon to make sure your shopping experience is a good one. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.